They add a one view like recurring task, which only show the recurring tasks.
Um, this is a little bit, no, no, this is like I have to go here and type here, and then I have to go
Like embed. Can you share your screen and ask me?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so where you want to embed?
The Google Chat,
Click anywhere. So click slash on your keyboard.
Google Chat is probably up here.
Yes, click slash
Okay, slash.
and then embed. Type embed.
Oh, like this one?
Yes. No, you can paste.
Oh,
No, you can paste your link here.
I don't know how to, where do I get the link?
Um, what you want to embed here?
The Google Chat box to chat with my team.
I think you can copy the link at the top of page. Can you open it?
My Google?
Yes.
Okay.
Like something the dummy chatters like.
Kathleen, if you have a Google Doc, so you can upload.
Uh, so we have this. I need to embed this chat. Is it possible?
I think so. It's possible. Open anyone.
Anyone?
No, open any chat.
Open the chat. Okay.
Like that is possible. You just copy the URL and paste on the Notion. Then, and next time when you click on the
This one?
URL section, yes, then it will
Copy
be
it.
automatically.
Okay. I'll copy it and then I'll put
Paste
here.
here. I think Notion does not support this.
Okay. Okay. It's not possible? All
No,
right.
I think no.
Um,
So So it's all the changes you want.
Oh, a really important thing is that this is really important. I want to share with you. So in the building view, we
Yes.
want to show the solo practice, the group practice, and then the self-pay client for tracking billing purposes. Like here, I'll share it again. So every month, if I can see the BP1 only, or I can see the headway only, you know, headway or soul tender or self-pay. Is there a view where I can see only that?
Okay, I'll add just like the monthly revenue tab.
Yeah, like
Okay,
that.
I'll make another tab for this.
Yeah, and then self-pay. Perfect. Okay, that's good for now. Actually, a team member requested this, so I wanted to see if you can do it.
Kathleen, do you have any further questions?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so when somebody assign me a task, can you do it so that it pop up on my end so I know the tasks that are being assigned to me?
Is your Notion upgraded or a free feature using free feature or upgrade?
No, I'm paid. Yeah, paid.
Okay, so it's possible by making automation. So you can share your email where you want to get notifications.
Okay.
Every time
Is that
when new page is added, you get notified.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
like for example, all these two, someone assign it to me and then it will pop up on my end.
okay, I'll add
Okay.
your email in the automation.
Yeah. And then also Knowledge Hub. For template research idea, this is a team member.
Do you already have a knowledge hub?
Huh?
Do you already have knowledge hub,
No, not
or
yet.
I should create this?
Box information, template. Yeah, sure.
I already got this file, I think. So I'll make these changes. The picture you added are the examples.
Yeah. We can do that later, but right now I don't have any more questions. Just if you can fix all of those things, that would be great.
Okay, I'll change according to the file you shared with me and then notify.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so
The most important thing is the client billing tracker and then news and update.
okay, I'll do this.
Okay. Yeah. All
Okay.
right. So you can charge me for anything extra and then we can continue building it.
Yeah, actually, Ahmed, you can talk this with Ahmed.
Yes, Kathleen.
Okay.
Yeah, after meeting, I will share with you complete like meeting charge and extra revision and so more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes. Thank you
Kathleen.
so much
Have
for
a nice
everything.
experience. And second, Kathleen, you can accept our last project and share good feedback. Then I will send you next offer so you can accept it. Then move further.
Okay. That's
Okay.
fine. All
Yeah.
right.
Nice experience and have a good day. Take care.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Most
Thank
welcome.
you.